Beard for man is not only a sign of masculinity, but in our times the opportunity to express individuality and emphasize a different style. It doesn't matter if you have a beard with poor density, or if there are gaps, or if you don't have hairs at all in your face. H&E Clinic is ready to help and correct any deficiencies. During consultation, the patient receives full information about the H&E procedure, anesthesia, the number of follicular units needed, and of course, the cost of the restoration. Furthermore, before the procedure, in cooperation with the doctor, is planned the desired result. After completion of all formalities and instruction on the procedure of hair transplantation, the patient enters in the operating room. All instruments used for hair transplantation are sterilized for each patient individually. At the beginning, local anesthesia is applied in order to ensure that all procedures are painless and comfortable. First phase, follicular units extraction from the donor area. Withdrawal is carried out without a single cut, by using special instruments named punch with a thickness of 0.8 mm made of titanium. The doctor penetrates the skin using the punch to a depth not more than 1 mm and removes the follicular units. The follicular units are not divided or cut into grafts. Those units are ready to be transplanted. Follicular units have 1 to 3 hairs, but for beard reconstruction, we can use only follicle units with 1 hair and sometimes 2 hairs. We must point out that the doctor using H&E method is able to choose the most healthy hair follicles from the donor area. All follicular units are counted and measured under a microscope, then immersed in a special saline solution in order to keep them alive in a temperature of +4 degrees Celsius. After a short break, we enter the second phase, the implantation. Direct hair transplantation can also be applied without a break. Local anesthesia is also applied at this stage. At this phase of the hair transplantation, follicle units are implanted in the balding area, the recipient zone. Special instrument used for implantation named CHOI. The diameter of the needle exactly matches the diameter of the follicle transplant, which is 0.8 mm. Instrument CHOI allows the doctor to adjust the individual parameters, such as depth of implantation, angle, and direction of growth of each hair. Follicles are transplanted simultaneously. Furthermore, implanter CHOI can easily fill the gaps and pass between the native hair without damaging it. Another important advantage using HFE techniques is healing period. Only 3 days, especially in the area of the beard and moustache. Immediately after hair transplantation, the result is visible and indisputable. Full results in the area of beard and moustache will be after 6 months. The opinion of the patient about the clinic HFE. Medical staff is very friendly and very skillful. The procedure went well, and the only thing I can say is a big thank you.